Hello. How can I help you?
Hello, I am looking for an apartment.
I have an apartment available.
Really?
Yes,
Can I see it?
of course.
Thank you.
Follow me.
Okay.
This is the living room.
It looks nice.
Thank you.
Is it furnished?
Yes, it has basic furniture.
Great.
Let me show you the kitchen.
Sure.
Here it is.
It is clean.
I cleaned it yesterday.
Very nice.
Thank you.
How many bedrooms are there?
There are 2 bedrooms.
Perfect.
Do you need 2 bedrooms?
Yes.
Why?
One room for me,
And the other?
for guests.
That sounds good.
Is there a balcony?
Yes,
Can I see it?
certainly.
Wow. The view is beautiful.
Many people like it.
I can understand why.
Did you like it?
Of course. How much is the rent?
The rent is $800 per month.
Is that including utilities?
No.
What utilities are extra?
Water, electricity, and internet.
I see.
They are usually not expensive.
That is good.
Do you think the rent is reasonable?
Yes, I do.
Great.
Is there a security deposit?
Yes.
How much?
1 month's rent.
Okay.
You have any question?
Is the building safe?
Yes.
Is there security?
Yes. There is security at night.
That is good.
We also have cameras.
Nice.
The neighborhood is quiet, too.
I like quiet places.
Then you will like this area.
Are there stores nearby?
Yes.
How far?
5 minutes away.
Great.
Anything else?
Is there parking?
Yes.
Is it free?
Yes.
Wonderful.
Do you have a car?
Yes.
Then you can use the parking area.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Is there visitor parking?
Yes,
That is helpful.
of course.
Are there any building rules,
A few.
such as?
No loud music after 10 p.m.
Okay,
Keep common areas clean.
sure.
Pets are allowed.
Really?
Yes,
I have a small dog.
that is fine.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
I like this apartment.
I am happy to hear that.
I would like to rent it.
Excellent.
What should I do next?
Fill out an application.
Okay.
Then sign the lease.
Sounds easy.
It is.
Can I move in next week?
Yes.
Great.
Here is the lease agreement.
Thank you.
Please read it carefully.
I will.
Take your time.
Everything looks fine.
Do you have any questions?
No.
Then please sign here.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you too.
Hello.
Hello again.
Welcome.
Today is moving day.
Excited?
Very excited.
Here are your keys.
Thank you.
Let me show you around again.
Sure.
This is the mailbox.
Okay.
This is the laundry room.
Nice.
Any questions? Hello.
Hello, landlord.
What happened?
The kitchen light is not working.
Really?
Yes,
I am sorry.
it is okay.
I will send someone today.
Thank you.
No problem.
I appreciate it.
We will fix it quickly. Hello?
Hello.
Did the electrician come?
Yes.
Is the light working now?
Yes.
Wonderful.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
The service was fast.
We try our best.
How do you like the apartment?
I love it.
Really?
Yes,
What do you like most?
the balcony.
It is beautiful.
I drink coffee there every morning.
That sounds relaxing.
It is.
I am glad you are happy. Hello?
Landlord,
Yes.
I want to pay my rent.
Thank you.
Can I pay online?
Yes.
Great.
I will send you the details.
Perfect.
Let me know if you have problems.
I will.
Your lease ends next month.
Really?
Yes.
Time goes fast.
It does.
I want to stay.
That is great news.
Can I renew the lease?
Of course.
Thank you.
We are happy to have you. Enjoy.
Thank you for being a good landlord.
Thank you for being a good tenant.
I enjoy living here.
I am glad.
The apartment feels like home.
That makes me happy.
You always help when needed.
I try my best.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.
I hope to stay here for many years.
You are always welcome.
Have a great day.
You too.
Before I go, I want to say something.
Sure. Go ahead.
When I first came here, I was nervous.
Really?
Yes, moving to a new place was a big step.
I understand.
I didn't know anyone in the neighborhood,
That can be difficult.
but things became easier.
I am happy to hear that.
The apartment is comfortable.
Thank you.
The neighbors are friendly too.
They are good people.
Everyone made me feel welcome.
That is wonderful.
I remember my first day here.
So do I.
You showed me everything.
I wanted to help.
You answered all my questions.
I was happy to do that.
You made the move less stressful.
I am glad.
I have many happy memories here now.
Such as?
Drinking coffee on the balcony every morning.
The balcony has a nice view.
Yes, it does.
I enjoy that view too.
I also like the quiet neighborhood.
It is a peaceful area.
That is one reason I chose this apartment.
A lot of people like that about this place.
I can understand why.
Have you made friends here?
Yes, I have.
That is great.
We often meet in the community garden.
I am happy the residents get along.
It feels like a small family.
That is exactly what we hope for.
You know, I have learned a lot here.
Really?
Yes.
What have you learned?
I learned how important a good home is.
That is true.
A good home brings peace and happiness.
I agree.
And a good landlord makes a big difference.
Thank you for saying that.
It is true.
I appreciate your kind words.
You always respond quickly when there is a problem.
I try to solve issues as soon as possible.
Like when the kitchen light stopped working.
Yes, I remember that.
You fixed it right away.
It was a simple repair.
Still, it showed that you care.
Of course, I want everyone to be comfortable.
And we are.
That means a lot to me.
I am grateful for everything.
Thank you.
I hope to stay here for a long time.
We would be happy to have you.
That is good to hear. You are one of our best tenants. Thank you. I always try to be responsible.
And it shows.
Well, I should get going.
Okay.
I have some errands to do. Have a productive day. I will try. Take care of yourself. I will. And enjoy your evening.